Hi there, I hope you're as excited as we are about Bett next week. Yes, it's only a few days away, 29th to the 31st of March. Next week we'll be there to show this amazing new Jalinga augmented reality presentation tool. And we are going to be offering something really special at the show. So if you order at the show, we will be offering you a 10% discount on your specified solution. Now, we know that it's always difficult. You've got lots of things to do, you'll be a bit busy. So we will offer a 5% discount for the following 2 weeks after the show. If you've talked to us and you need to talk to other people, we can still offer you a discount after the show. So I'd really like you to come along and have a look at the solution. Now, to make that a little bit more fun for you, we're also going to be pre-booking video sessions. So you'll be able to join us, record your video, and then we'll give that to you or email it to you once it's been uploaded, and you'll be able to show your friends and colleagues this amazing new augmented reality tool and really wow them as well. So that might help you with being able to convince others in your organization that this really is a great product. Look, we look forward to seeing you. Please do come and chat, and yeah, let's look forward to a great show. Take care. Bye-bye.